There is nothing more powerful than a changed mind. Le Brun. September is in its last chapter. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. A pleasant breeze is flapping the tree leaves, and daisies are still smiling. Tall trees are swaying in slow motion, and the river is continuously flowing. Grass is green, and leaves are still hanging on the branches. Only the temperature outside and on my iPhone are dropping by the day. 80 degrees Fahrenheit is changing into the 70°, and then further into the 60s. On some nights it even touches the 40s. As the temperature drops, the daisies are diminishing in number, and the color of the leaves is changing gradually. Deer are seen less frequently, and chirping birds are also migrating. Only the river, and the stone benches on its banks, are unbothered and indifferent to the weather and its changes. Not all changes are occurring in the field of weather, however. Rather, the universe goes through changes every moment. Transformation is proof that the creator of everything is satisfied with its creation, and that the process of creation is still alive and ever present. Everything you see has its roots in the unseen world. The forms may change, yet the essence remains the same. Every wondrous sight will vanish. Every sweet word will fade. But do not be disheartened. The source they come from is eternal, growing, branching out, giving new life and new joy. Why do you weep? That source is within you, and this whole world is springing up from it. The source is full, its waters are ever flowing. Do not grieve, drink your fill. Don't think it will ever run dry. This is the endless ocean. From the moment you came into this world, a ladder was placed in front of you that you might transcend it. From earth, you became plant. From plant you became animal. Afterwards you became a human being, endowed with knowledge, intellect and faith. Behold the body, born of dust. How perfect it has become. Why should you fear its end? When were you ever made less by dying? When you pass beyond this human form, no doubt you will become an angel and soar through the heavens. But don't stop there. Even heavenly bodies grow old. Pass again from the heavenly realm and plunge into the ocean of consciousness. Let the drop of water that is you become 100 mighty seas. But do not think that the drop alone becomes the ocean. The ocean, too, becomes the drop. Rumi.